In all the time I've been teaching logic, the biggest problem students have is understanding the internal clock. Once you understand the internal clock, logic stops being your enemy and becomes your friend. So I'm going to explain it here. Logic expects you to play in time with itself. So when you start a new project, the tempo is always 120 beats per minute. You can change that. You can make it slower and faster. But whatever you do, you have to respect the clock. So how do you hear the internal clock? You need to put on the click, which is this little triangle shape here. If I press spacebar to play. So this is how logic is counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to follow that. If you think it's too fast, drag the tempo down. Press enter. Back to the beginning, press space. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So this means that you can play along in time with logic. Let's just play some chords. Great, but I have to record it along with the click. Let's have a quick look at the piano roll. Here you can see the chords that I played, and you can see if I'm roughly in time with the internal clock. So this is bar 1 here, and I have a chord here. So you can see that I'm not exactly accurate, but I'm pretty close. It's okay, because I can change my chords to get in time with the internal clock using a quantize. The quantize is a feature that puts all of your notes in time with this piano roll, with this grid. So if I press Command and A, I select everything. Over here, there's my quantize value. Let's go with 16th notes for now. Press Q, look what happens. Things have moved. It's now sitting precisely on the line, which means if it's on the line, it should be in time. Use the internal clock with logic, get used to working with it, and your music will sound fantastic.